SAP certification is one of the most valued credentials in the enterprise software industry. Professionals with SAP certifications are in demand across industries worldwide. Here is how to prepare effectively. First, choose the right certification for your career goal. SAP offers certifications across modules including FICO, SD, MM, HCM, S/4HANA, and many others. Pick the module most relevant to your current or target role. Start with the official SAP Learning Hub. It provides structured learning paths aligned directly to each certification exam. Supplement with hands-on practice. Access to an SAP sandbox system is essential. Many training providers offer trial system access so you can practice real transactions. Study the official exam guide. SAP publishes a topic area breakdown for each exam. Use it to guide your revision. Practice with mock exams. Time management is critical in SAP exams. Practicing under timed conditions prepares you for the real experience. Join SAP community forums and study groups. Engaging with others preparing for the same exam helps reinforce your understanding. SAP exams test practical knowledge, not just theory. Always connect concepts to real business scenarios. Book your exam when you are consistently scoring above 70% in mock tests. Certification opens doors to consulting roles, ERP implementation projects, and significant career advancement globally. Prepare well and take the step.